Hi everyone. This is the shaft drawing. This is another multi-view. So you're looking at it from the front and then the side over here. Now, a couple interesting things to note. You've got this square symbol. So this little square just means that this area right here is a square. And you can see right here, it's a square. So this one's going to be kind of tricky. Make sure you turn on your quadrant, your center, your perpendicular. You're probably going to need that. Make sure you get those turned on. And then it kind of depends on how you want to draw it. You know, it might be easier to start with this view. I mean, it looks like everything's there for this view, so we might as well we'll try this. So I'll start, maybe I'll try to draw the top half and then reflect it. Let's see if I can do that. So I'll grab a line. I'm going to start, I want to go, I've got a diameter here of 1.75. So if the diameter is 1.75, I just want to divide 1.75 by 2. And it looks like I've got 0.875. Hit enter. And now I can go over, and this is 5.255 minus 4.250. 5.255 minus 4.25 equals 1.005. Okay, and then I'm going up, and this has 4.25 divided by 2, so this is the diameter is 4.25. So 4.25 divided by 2 should be 2.125. Then I've got this dimension, which is going to be, 4.25 minus 1.75 and 1. So 4.25 minus 1.75 minus 1 equals 1.5. And then I'm going to go down. And now this gets a little bit tricky. So this distance from here to here, actually I guess I can just go all the way back down. Yeah, I did make that mistake. 2.125. Let's go back down to the radius, 2.125. Let me double check that with the measurement, 2.125. So this should be up. I need to move this up probably 0.875. So move, yeah, I'm not quite sure what I did wrong there, 0.875. There we go. So that lines up. So now my depth right here, this is a tricky part. So this depth from here to here, so from here to here is 2.5 divided by 2, so 1.25, and then it's 2.125 from here to here. So if I go 2.125 minus 1.25, I get 0.875 from here to here. So this is gonna be kind of weird. I'll offset 0.875. I'll offset this line down 0.875. You could also just draw a line down and over. So I'll go like that. And then let's see if I can go 1.75. Nah, that wasn't gonna work. I'll just draw a line from here, 1.75, hit enter, and then go down the 1.25. Make sure it lines up along the bottom, which it does. Delete that. And now I could go, let's see here. This is going to be 2.5 and then half of, so 1.25 minus 0.5, which should be 0.75. So I'm going to offset 0.75, this line down, and then go L enter, bring it over, I'll go 1 enter, and then I'll go 0.5, gets me to the very bottom, like that. And I'll draw the rest of that. So instead of going down 0.5, I'm going to go down 0.5 minus 0.125. So it should be 0.375. Enter, and then I can go in 0.5, then I can go down 0.125, and then now it all lines up like that. So I hope that makes sense. Now it's just a mirror. So select it, mirror, first point, second point. No, I do not want to erase it. There we go. Looks pretty good. I don't see any issues with it. So now I could go over, 2.5, something like that. And then I could start drawing my right side view. I'll start with a 2-point circle going this direction. And this is going to have a diameter of 4.25. Enter. And I can check that with this quadrant point. And if I snap it back to there, and then another quadrant point, I snap it back to there, I can see they line up. So that looks good. Now I've just got the rest of these circles. So I've got this one, which lines up. You can kind of project it over from here to here. So I've got a diameter of 2.5. So I'm going to go center diameter, move it to the edge, click my center point, 2.5, enter. I got this other circle in the back, diameter 1.75. So diameter, edge, center point, 1.75, enter. And that one's hidden, of course. And then I've got this square on the inside, and I might be able to, no, that's the wrong program. Let me see if polygon works. I wonder if I could go four-sided polygon, pick the center, circumscribe, and then, gosh, what would it be? Would it be 1 inch? Of course not. You might be able to get that thing to work, but if not, you've got this center point, and then you can just go 0.5 both directions, 0.5, 1, 1, 1, and then back to here, stretch that across. I'll actually use this offset 0.125 both directions, and then I'll delete it like that. So you could go up to annotate, do your layers, and then you could get your center mark right there. And then for the center line, I could go from here to here, click on it, and then stretch it out to there. And then I'm just grabbing that square, and then to there, hit escape. There we go. So not too bad. It's just getting the right object snap points.